Take a ride in the 2017 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, backup camera, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, power windows, compass, security system, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.